Hey YouTube, today we're going to be working on the tractor again. We're going to tear this clutch apart and see how much damage was done over the season. Check it all out and everything. I'll give you guys a look at the tool I'm using to do it. So give me a second here and we'll do that. Here's the tool I've made to compress it to take the pins out of the driver over here, and these are the pins right down in there that we got to take out. Notice I marked the discs so I know which way they were facing, so I can compare them to the discs and the floaters together and everything. And so come back and we'll start driving these pins out. Let's drive this here pin out of this one here. There's one out. Now I got to back it off to get the pressure plate off of it. There's that one. There's that disc. Don't need that anymore after that first one. Just move it until you can see a little bit of gap there. Take the little tool here. There's two. The second one and the second disc. So I can get this one off. It just slides off like that, and it's all apart. So let's look at these things. Yeah, we've gotten them a little hot. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's scaling in here. It means it's gotten really hot. And you can see here where it's not contacting. So something's not smooth here. Same thing on that one, a little better, but not as good as it should be. And this one here is really bad, which means it's really gotten hot. This side's not bad, but if you look here, you can see that and that. So that means that one was driving like that. Make sure my orientation's right. Yep. Yeah. Yep. So get these discs all dressed up and everything, and get them all cleaned up, and we'll get her back together. So that's about that for that. Simple, easy. Only takes a couple minutes to do it. We'll clean everything up. We'll go to put it back together. Make sure that this shaft here is all nice and clean and smooth. So those floaters will slide on there really nice. I throw out bearing and everything's still good. There's no play or slop in it, so we're not going to mess with that. I'm not going to mess with taking that pin out of there. So, alrighty guys, thanks for watching. This is kind of a real simple job. I do it 2 or 3 times a season, just to make sure things are going good. We're taking off the clutch, taking apart a clutch on a Cub Cadet. Mine's a little different than a stock one, but basically all the same principles. Just drive out the pins, make sure you compress it. Don't drive them pins out while it's still under pressure. It'll be experience for you if you do. So, like, subscribe. Thanks for stopping. Check you out next time. Thanks. Bye.